Hello everybody, welcome back to Initial Solution. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to convert heic to JPG on Windows. So let's get started the video. You can convert heic to JPG by using the Photos app. Select the image, then right-click on it. Now click on Open with, then choose Photos from the options. It will open the image in the Photos app. Click the three dots in the top right corner. Then select Save As. Click on the arrow and choose JPG as the file format and click Save. Your file is now converted to JPG. That's all for today. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.